Welcome back. Today, I will show you 30 stylish hangers made from ordinary pallets. It doesn't get easier than this. Wooden pallets can truly be the best thing you've ever stumbled upon. Basic woodworking skills come into play when you realize that with a few basic techniques and an endless supply of cheap wood through pallets, you can fulfill your own furniture dreams, piece by beautiful piece. Until recently, I thought pallets were only good for making coffee tables or outdoor seating. The real possibilities are truly unlimited. You can do so much more. From shelves and storage units to benches and luggage racks, we've gathered some of the best pallet furniture projects. Be sure to also check out how to transform a pallet into 140 perfect and creative ideas. Today, we've prepared fantastic hangers for you. Let's take a look at them together.